Welcome everyone to another episode of the podcast with Subhajit and Ratish. Myself Ratish and I have Subhajit with me. Subhajit, hi. How are you?
Hi Ratish, how are you? I'm fine.
Good, यार. Good. So the 9th episode today, हमने सोचा कि एक relevant topic पे बात करते हैं, which is about the current set of good series that we get to see on all the OTT platforms.
Yes.
So viewers, for your benefit, we have just chosen few of the recent ones that we felt are really amazing.
Yes, especially the 2021.
हाँ बिल्कुल. शुरू करें आज का टॉपिक.
तो शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. I think the first one, Ratish, which came early this year is Special Operations. So.
Oh yes.
Yes, from the stable of Neeraj Pandey.
Yes. Now, Special Ops. If you guys have not yet watched it, please, it's a must watch. Special Ops में अगर आपने के मेनन का परफॉर्मेंस नहीं देखा तो आपने बहुत कुछ नहीं देखा.
Absolutely.
तो मेरी दरख्वास्त यही है कि जितने भी लोग सुन रहे हैं, आप लोग प्लीज स्पेशल ऑप्स देखें. हॉटस्टार पे अवेलेबल है. एंड आई एम श्योर वंस यू स्टार्ट वॉचिंग इट, it will be like you will not want to stop in between. I want to continue till the end. It's
Correct.
such a fascinating series. बहुत कुछ कहा गया इसके बारे में, नहीं सुभजीत?
Yes, I think एक तो ensemble of a bunch of good actors that is there, and it led well by K Menon, who is a powerhouse of an actor. तो एक तो वो
Yes.
हो गया, और ऊपर से नीरज पांडे का जो स्टाइल ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग है, where
Yeah.
the suspense is being built on every episode, and end में the twist is always even if you think that you know the twist, you still find something really new or surprising. That's the best part with Neeraj Pandey, which he has completely replicated in a web series format in the form of Special Ops.
Absolutely.
What was your biggest takeaway from Special Ops, if I can ask?
What was so? See, for me, Special Ops, if you really ask me, there are certain scenes which I felt are really out of the world. One was the interrogation scene of the Ajmal Kasab scene.
Correct.
With K Menon.
Yes.
जिसका तो उन लोगों ने अलग से एक वीडियो भी बनाया है.
Yes.
मतलब खाली वो पोर्शन उठा के YouTube में एक वीडियो भी है.
Yes. Yes.
It's that good. It's brilliant. मतलब out of the world.
Correct.
फिर उसके बाद कुछ encounter scenes हैं, कुछ the way they have choreographed action, it is so nice. K Menon throughout, I mean his interaction with Parmeet Sethi and those guys are also so subtle.
Yes.
वो बहुत मजा आता है यार.
Absolutely.
I think the whole series is moments after moments. I think one of the best that I've ever seen.
Yes. In fact, in the first couple of episodes, I kind of felt it's a bit filmy the way it has picturized. But then, they have built the momentum so well, and the progression has been really good. So the entire series you can actually binge watch, as they say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
वही होता है यार. The way they have come up with that kind of a concept, मजा आ गया. मतलब देख के और मजा आता है मुझे.
Correct. So let's move on to the next one, which we both have liked together. It's a very simple yet a very a very touchy subject. It's Panchayat from the TV table.
Oh yes.
So
but I have seen one thing about series like Panchayat. It came at a time when too much of we were having CPR on violence or something around drugs and so on and so forth. And suddenly you make a series which is purely heartland Indian, simple series. With certain, इतने प्यारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं. उसमें एक सीन है जहाँ पर वो सब सैटरडे को दारू पार्टी करने के लिए इसके घर आते हैं. कलेक्टर के घर पे. And such an emotional scene. They want him to feel happy, feel important.
Yes.
It is so nicely done, यार. मतलब Panchayat to me was one of the underrated series.
Absolutely.
But I'm sure a lot of people have watched it because it is just such a simply made family entertainer.
Absolutely.
जो आजकल बहुत कम होता है ना OTT platform में.
Yeah, and I felt so happy that they have brought back Village as a mainstream subject. जो कि बहुत दिनों से खोया हुआ रिश्ता. लोगों ने उसको बड़ा कैरिकेचरिस्ट कर लिया था. विलेज का जो the nuances of a village लोगों ने उसको कैरिकेचरिस्ट कर लिया था. But this, I think they have brought the real essence of it. People are very real. The conversations are very normal and natural. I think कहीं भी किसी ने कोई चीज को कैरिकेचरिस्ट करने की कोशिश किया भी नहीं. So that's one of the stand out things for.
Absolutely. तो वही बात है यार कि मतलब कभी-कभी कुछ सीरीज ऐसे आती है ना, they just open possibilities.
Yes.
You know, and possibilities of exploring the heartland of India, looking at simple stories,
yes.
making great series out of it. वरना क्या हो रहा था ना, एक सीजन चल रहा था, एक ही तरह की हम चीज बना रहे थे.
Yes.
Panchayat just I think got a different kind of outlook.
Correct.
To the OTT platform for India.
Correct. And it's a very fresh change. If you look at the series, I think and I think I would completely agree with you what you said. You know, एक हम लोगों ने set format बना रखा था, either a thriller or a suspense or a murder mystery. I think they have completely rewritten the way storytelling can be done also in the heartland of India.
Absolutely. तीसरे पे जाना मैं I want to talk about Bandish Bandits.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, interesting.
And it is another fascinating thing that we all want. I think everybody, I've heard from so many people about Bandish Bandits. It's unreal. Apart from the IMDb rating, it's 8.7.
Yeah.
It is reached to a lot of people. बहुत सारे लोग जो सीरीज के बारे में बात नहीं करते, वो Bandish Bandits के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
And so many people are watching it.
Yes, and मुझे for what stands out in Bandish Bandits is bringing the real essence of the classical Indian music and presenting it to a newer
generation. Has around 13 songs है यार, करीब 11 या 12 गाने हैं उसके.
And what it does to Indian classical singing is that it brings back the whole thing to a new generation. It makes them presentable. नहीं तो होता
है. और क्या है, देखो तुम अब उसमें ऐसी स्टोरीज ना कभी बोरिंग हो जाती है.
करेक्ट.
9-10 एपिसोड बना रहे हैं, थोड़ा बोरिंग हो सकता है, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल बोरिंग ही नहीं था. मतलब अच्छे टेस्ट में चलता रहा. वेरी नाइसली डन, वेरी subtly done. Silence of the hallmark in that whole thing. सारे अच्छे actors and the movies are also so good यार.
Yes. I think अभी तक हम लोगों ने तीनों सीरीज के बारे में बात किया है और जो आगे बात करने वाले हैं. I think one of the standout feature is the ensemble cast. I think pitch perfect cast.
Absolutely.
So that stands out. Yeah.
It kind of gives a lot of fresh actors that opportunity to kind of scale themselves up. So brilliant.
Yeah.
चौथा कौन सा है? चौथा किसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम?
Is पाताल लोक.
Oh wow. ये भी क्या था यार ये?
Yes.
मतलब मैंने I'm sure a lot of people में spoiler नहीं बनना चाहता, but उसका जो end होता है ना, it brings a smile on my face यार. मतलब क्या सोचा है बंदे ने, मतलब क्या सोचा.
मुझे तो लगा था यार जयते पहलावत यार बड़ा दुखी हो जाएगा, ये उसके लिए कुछ एंडिंग होगा नहीं, बट आई थिंक द लास्ट एपिसोड काइंड ऑफ ब्रॉट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर. आई थिंक फुल साइकिल
क्या बनाया है इसको यार. आई थिंक that series really had something very special about it. मतलब वो I just don't know, मतलब मैं काफी ऑस्ट्रक हो जाता हूँ.
करेक्ट.
पाताल लोक के बारे में सोच के, मतलब क्या था वो. परफॉर्मेंसेस को छोड़ दे, बहुत ही शानदार. आई थिंक द वे द स्टोरी वाज कम्युनिकेटेड, द एंटायर स्क्रीन प्ले, आई थिंक इट्स ब्रिलियंट. मतलब ऐसा एक एंड हो सकता है, ऐसा एक थ्रिलर ऐसे बिल्ड हो सकता है, ये भी हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था.
So I'm not comparing here, Ratish, but if Special Ops was a thriller, I think Patalok is another level in terms of thriller concept.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. What a series, and hats off to Anushka and team for producing such wonderful series.
Correct.
बहुत बढ़िया.
What I loved about the ensemble cast in Patalok is that you could see a lot of character actors who were not in the scene anymore. They got a chance to play a role in this, so it's very refreshing to see. Yes. So we move on to
that brings me to the latest one, which I just finished watching last week.
Okay.
Is Scam. And क्या कहना, अंसल मेहता जी ने सारे एपिसोड खुद ही डायरेक्ट किए.
Yes.
It's again a good thing. He directed all the episodes, and the best part is it's just stand out. और सब बड़े-बड़े एपिसोड है, ऐसा नहीं कि छोटा-छोटा 30 मिनट का, 50-50 मिनट के एपिसोड है.
Yes.
पर तुम एक बार घुसोगे इसके अंदर और घुसते चले जाओगे. तुमको स्पेस नहीं मिलेगा सोचने के लिए कि क्या दिख रहा है.
Yes. I think Harshad Mehta's story is something that most of the 90s kids heard about it. But the best part is, so, the best part, what he did, Hansal Mehta, that, everybody knew about Harshad Mehta, but what Hansal Mehta done is that he has shown a side of Harshad Mehta that the country didn't know. In fact, today I am going back and I'm researching about Harshad Mehta and I'm not finding that much of material on the internet. So the kind of research that has gone into it, the kind of support he has got from the journalists or the Times of India or the people who were connected to him, like Pritish Nandi and all, I think he has got a lot of research onto
I think the book, it's purely based on that book by Sucheta Dalal and
Sucheta Dalal was, heavily aided by Pritish Nandi and all those. So I think the research it shows the kind of a research that has gone into it. It shows.
Absolutely.
And
very engaging.
Yes.
And that guy.
Yes.
Pratik Gandhi.
No. Pratik, Ratish, we'll talk about Pratik Gandhi, but we'll talk about in chronological order. So the last bit which I wanted to highlight is the protagonist. So in all the 5 things that we spoke about, 5 series, if you see, there is one guy who has carried the entire series on his own shoulder. Okay. So KK Menon. Then there is Hrithik Bhomik. Then we have Pratik Gandhi. We have Jaideep Ahlawat. So I think if you look at each of these and Panchayat mein you see, obviously, you have Jitendra Kumar, who is a young but a vivacious, very vivacious character.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
I think, wow, really, the kind of series that we spoke about today.
Yes.
I'm just sure that people who have not watched all of them,
correct,
listeners who have not watched all of them, they should definitely watch it because it's really nice. It's the time has come where we are constantly being surprised by the content that is coming to us time and again. And I just hope we keep making good stuff like these.
Yes, and the find, as we just spoke, be it Jaideep Ahlawat or Pratik Gandhi, today the mainstream, the majority of the masses still didn't know about them as much as they should have, but this series, what they have done is they have brought them into the limelight. So
Absolutely.
I think for them, I think the journey is going to only go upwards from here.
Yes, bilkul.
So
great stuff.
Yes, great stuff. So again, very exciting times that we're living in, I think, Ratish. So the next few years are looking really exciting for the new age actors.
Yes, absolutely. I completely agree.
Yes.
All right. So now, towards last leg of the episode, I think we covered some good content today based on the series that we watched, and I just hope the viewers listen to what we have spoken today and go back to these series and at least watch some of them. Correct. Because it's important that these series are watched by a large number of people so that the actors are encouraged as well as the makers too.
Yes, and we get to see more such content.
Yes, absolutely.
And there is no shame, Ratish, in we ourselves pushing a bit of our content, that if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, so we can create more and more such content for you.
Absolutely. Right then, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ratish.